So hey guys, I wish you a happy new year, a very prosperous new year 2025. Right now I'm here in Delhi for my family visit, enjoying my time here in this place. It's amazing here. As you have seen on my English channel, I am regularly posting content, successful bootcamp documentary on my channel. Um, I'm posting. Uh, I'm not posting too much, but I'm still posting regularly on my English channel. Right now, I'm busy also parallelly in making new content for my Hindi channel, for my Hindi audience in India. यहाँ पे. So I'm making regular content for my Hindi channel, Hindi Instagram right now. So in year 2025, I'll be still posting regular content on my English channel as well as making some solid content on my Hindi channel as well as English channel. I'll be posting new bootcamp documentaries as well as some infields, lot of theory content, but there will be some big changes. So there was like a lot of distraction earlier. So what I was saying is that the content what I was making in the past, it was slightly in a way that I just wanted to give the message that there is a clear disadvantage when I'm doing the marketing and some privileged dating coach is doing the marketing. And when I was giving the message, I was giving very direct. I was very direct on the face, and due to that, I also noticed I got some emails, some messages that why I'm complaining all the time, and even if the race do matters, my message may look very redundant. Again and again I'm saying the same thing. Again I also realize that no matter how much message I give about race or talking about privileged dating coaches, it is going to be very hard to change the things because lot of bias, lot of things are going on since centuries. So the advantage what a privileged dating coach, privileged race is getting, it is happening since centuries. So it is just me saying the truth is not going to make very big difference. So because of that, me and my team has decided that we won't be talking too much about race or advantage any privileged race is getting in dating game. Even if we talk, it will be very subtle, not very direct on the face, especially when we're talking about privileged dating, privileged race dating coaches. We will not be very direct on the face. I will not be very direct on the face in that situation. And also some of my videos where I'm talking about these things, I may unlist these videos or delete them or make them private. I have not yet decided. My team will decide about it. So there will be some cleaning of the content in coming months also. So I will be very positive on my channel. If you guys like me, it's good. If you guys don't like me, it's all good. That's how it is. I have accepted the reality, and I have worked very hard since 2013 in establishing myself in international dating market, European, West Europe, international dating market, and I am able to succeed against all odds. That's how it is. It's a bit hard work, but now I am deciding that I won't be talking too much about privileged race dating coach or the advantage they are getting. At least direct on the face, I will not be talking about it. And other than that, I will be posting more solid content on my English channel, in this channel, as well as in my Hindi channel in Hindi language. Also, a lot of infield videos, lot of new student documentaries I'll be posting, lot of content I'll be posting, and starting this year in a very positive way. So what I'm saying is that I'll be posting very positively on my channel, having a positive energy, not thrashing other privileged race dating coach. If you have seen, I'm not even using the word, that word also, Weiss in German we say. So that's how it is. I have accepted the reality and there's nothing wrong in it. If some bias is going on since centuries, multiple centuries, just me talking about it again and again, it looks more redundant and butthurt, complaining all the time. So that's what I want to say in this video. Happy New Year. I wish you all a very prosperous, good New Year, and hope you will get success in your dating life in this year 2025. And let's stay positive. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. I hope you have enjoyed this video and got a lot of value out of it. By the way, guys, if you are still suffering in your dating life, not able to find any solution for the problems you are facing in your dating life, now it's time to change it forever. And if you really want to get guided by me personally in my mentorship program or in my one-on-one bootcamp program, then apply to the link in the description below. The link is deepakdating.info/mentorship. But keep in mind, my mentorship program or my one-on-one bootcamp program are in very high in demand with a very limited availability. They are also costly. So only if you are fully motivated, committed, and prepared emotionally and mentally, want to get guided by me personally, only then apply to the mentorship or my bootcamp program. If right now the cost is the issue, or you are not able to do my mentorship program or my bootcamp program due to any personal reason and still want to change your dating life, then I suggest you to join Dating Infield Domination. The link is also in the description below. The first link, it's only $1, completely risk-free. You can cancel it anytime you want to. There you will see pure uncut infield interaction of me as well as my students, getting laid, getting girlfriends, listen word by word, line by line, infield interactions in this program, Dating Infield's Domination, and learn top-level seduction skills which no other dating coach in this world can able to teach you. I challenge it. So what you will see in Dating Infield's Domination in the infields, that is something you will be personally learning from me in my mentorship program or my one-on-one bootcamp program in future if you plan to join it. So apply to the link in the description below for a 30-minute free call, deepakdating.info/mentorship. If you really want to get mentored by me personally and change your dating life or other alternative, join Dating Infield's Domination. The link is also in the description below. If you are not really sure right now for mentorship program or my one-on-one bootcamp program. Also guys, don't forget to watch the playlist Rock Solid Infield on this channel, where I'm doing live flirt, picking up girls in front of camera, showing top level pickup and attraction skills. Also don't forget to watch Student Transformation and Testimonials, where I'm teaching my students, showing full documentaries, student success and their testimonials also.